CD220159. And good afternoon, everyone, and thank you for joining me today. In this presentation, I will be introducing the process behind manufacturing ladies' wallets, products that are more than just a fashion accessory. Each wallet reflects a careful balance of style, functionality, and environmental responsibility. The journey begins with selecting high-quality leather from eco-friendly tanneries that reduce environmental harm. This leather is then cut into precise shape using modern machine or traditional templates to maintain consistency. Skilled artisans assemble the pieces, adding essential features like cut slot, compartment, and zipper with durable stitching. Details metal edge are polished to prevent fraying, and stylish metal hardware adds both beauty and function. Even packaging is designed with sustainability in mind, often using recycled materials. Still, the industry faces challenge. Sustainable practices can be more expensive than time-consuming, and there are need to balance quality, cost, and eco-conscious method. Limited access to sustainability, adhesive, dyes, and material can make this balance difficult. Despite this obstacle, the goal remains clear: to create elegant, long-lasting wallets through efficient responsibility manufacturing. Today, we will explore how this goal is being pursued through a combination of traditional craftsmanship and modern innovation. Explanation of selected product. Ladies' wallets are more than just fashion accessories. They are practical items used to carry essential like money, cards, and personal belongings. Over the year, their design has evolved to combine both style and functionality. The manufacturing process usually includes designing, cutting, and stitching, and finishing, either genuine leather or synthetic alternative. Due to growing environmental concern, many manufacturers are now shifting towards sustainable practice. These include eco-tanning methods, recycled materials, and innovative plant-based leather such as mushroom and cactus leather. These changes are driven not only by environmental responsibility but also by changing consumer preference, as studies have shown. Such a practice help reduce the ecological impact of traditional leather tanning process. Let's take a look at the structural component of typical ladies' leather wallet. The diagram outlines both exterior and interior features. On the exterior, the wallet is made from either genuine leather or sustainability synthetic alternative. It may have adjustable or detachable strap for carrying convenience. Project type vary from zipper to magnetic snaps or clasps, all designed to keep items secure. From the inside, the wallet includes several organized sections to separate items. There is also a fabric inner lining that adds both durability and aesthetic appeal. Finally, storage pockets are designed to hold everyday essentials like cards, phones, key, and other small items. This structure reflects a thoughtful balance between usability and durability and modern design.
For Chapter 3, I'll be presenting the problem statement and key sustainability issues related to the manufacturing of ladies' leather wallet. The industry faces several serious challenges such as the sourcing of materials, especially animal-based leathers, waste generated during the production, which is the use of hazardous chemicals, and unethical labor practices. Additionally, the pressure from fast fashion trends pushes manufacturers to prioritize speed and low cost over ethical and sustainable practices. The first major issue is material sourcing. Traditional leather comes from animal hides, which contributes to greenhouse gases and resources consumption. In addition, chrome tanning, while cheap, release toxic waste harmful to both workers and to the environment. The second issue is resource wastage. Leather must be cut precisely, and that leads to leftover scraps. When this happens at a mass scale, the result is significant and material waste and insufficient production. The third issue involves labor practices. To cut costs, some manufacturers outsource production to places with weak labor laws, resulting in poor working conditions and low wages. Another problem is the inconsistent adoption of eco-friendly practices. Smaller brands may not have access to sustainable material or even technology. Lastly, consumers behavior plays a big role. The demand for cheap, trendy products often overweight concern for sustainability. Many consumers are unaware of the environmental impact of leather wallets, which makes education and transparency critical for change.
Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera to everyone. My name is Muhammad Syahrim Baharudin with metric number CD230176, and I'm going to continue our group presentation with chapter 4, which is sustainable element. In this chapter, we will focus on four different segments, which is application, practicality, economical, social, and also environment. Right. For the first segment or sector, which is application, in mass production, manufacturer are adopting eco-friendly tanning method, which is the usage of plant-based materials such as cactus and mushroom leather, in order to transform them into the leather to make the product, which is in our case is the purse. Right. This approach significantly reduce harmful chemical use such as chromium, which is harmful material to the user and also to the workers and also to the environment. Right? And then the use of energy efficient machinery and renewable energy support sustainability goal. This practice help minimize ecological footprint and align with global ethical standard. So in this application, in order to uh, s- achieve the sustainable element, the manufacturer can use plant-based material to make the purse, or use machinery and renewable energy source to help sustain the energy. And then for the second one, which is practicality, implementing sustainability must be feasible and adaptable without compromising product quality and usability. Manufacturer can introduce modular design pattern that minimize little waste. Use of eco-friendly recyclable packaging material is encouraged. Lean manufacturing technique help reduce resource consumption and improve efficiency. Innovation in alternative material now offer durability and aesthetic similar to traditional leather. Right? This manufacturer can practice these following terms in order to help uh, our earth, or uh, to help the environment to become more sustainable. Right, for economical factor, sustainable production offer various financial advantages. Mass production benefit from economies of scale, allowing for lower pricing. However, hidden costs like environmental damage control and unethical labor can affect long-term profitability. So in terms of economy also, batch and handcraft production are often more expensive due to quality and craftsmanship, or the wages for the people that work on them. These higher costs may limit broader market access despite appealing to niche market willing to pay more. Manufacturers need to balance cost effectiveness with sustainable practices to remain economical viable. Right, for the next part, which is the fourth element, is social. Sustainability is a key part of the manufacturing process. Mass production often raises concern about fair wages and safe working conditions. Solving this issue requires stricter regulation and fair labor practices. Working with local producer and cooperative promotes community engagement and economic growth. Also, homemade production support local economies and help preserve traditional craftsmanship, promoting social equity. Right. In order for us to gain the social or society trust in which we are manufacturing the product, in our case is the woman's wallet, we can involve the society, like taking them work in a fair wages, and also select the producers and cooperative of the manufacturing process from the society in order to gain their trust. Right, the rise of ethical consumer culture increase awareness of social impact in buying decision. Many consumers seek products that reflect values like social justice and ethical labor. Manufacturers can earn trust and loyalty by being transparent and promoting ethical practices, and also educating consumer on social impact, encourage ethical purchasing choice. And last but not least, the fifth element, which is environment. Environmental sustainability is a major concern in the leather industry. Traditional tanning method produce pollutant and material waste. So, eco-friendly practices like recycling leather scrap and using renewable energy are very essential in order to counter the material waste that we produce from the production material. Next, efficient cutting pattern and proper chemical waste management help to reduce waste and carbon footprint. The manufacturing process should prioritize environmental protection throughout all stages. Addressing these issues enhance the sustainability of leather goods. Educating consumer about the environmental impact of leather is very crucial. Also, informed consumer are more likely to support eco-friendly brand and make sustainable purchasing decision. So, if we you know, stance ourselves in environmental friendly condition, it will likely to attract more buyers or consumer since everyone is would like to buy the product that eco-friendly and also environmentally clean. Right, that's all for chapter 4, sustainable element. All right, last but not least, for the closure part, which is a conclusion, we would like to conclude that the production of a woman's leather wallet can be done through multiple production, which is a mass production, batch production, also handmade methods, in which each of its own sustainability have its own sustainability pros and cons. Mass production is cost effective and meets high demand, but often lead to waste, pollution, and poor labor practices. However, with usage of eco-friendly method like vegetable tanning, recycling scrap, renewable energy, and fair labor rules can make it more sustainable. Batch production focus on quality and use environmentally friendly material, but it is slower and more expensive in terms of manufacturing. Still, it appeals to consumers who care about ethical and unique products. Homemade production supports local economies and values traditional craftsmanship, offering good sustainability when using natural and responsibly sourced material. In the end, sustainability of leather wallet production depends on how well producers apply ethical and eco-friendly practices. A balanced approach that protects the environment, supports fair labor, and manages costs that can help meet the growing demands for sustainable fashion and ensure long-term success in the leather industry. That is all from our group. Thank you.